Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to get ready for school and college in just 5 minutes. Now since the COVID period has officially ended in India, finally, and most schools and colleges have opened up, I've seen a lot of students being confused as to how to exactly get ready to go to school or college, and that's why I made this video to guide you all, to help you all on the skincare routine and the makeup routine that you can follow for your school and college. And don't worry, it's very minimalistic, very wearable, very subtle. It's not gonna look like you have a lot of makeup on. It's just gonna make you look presentable and just well put together. And don't worry about the time. Even if you have like early morning college, all of this is only going to take up 5 minutes of your time, so you're not going to be late to school and college even if you follow everything what I do in today's video. So the first thing that you want to start off with is a face wash, and I have this Mamaearth Aloe Vera face wash. Now this is one of the best face washes, especially for the summer season. It's got aloe vera, which helps to hydrate and soothe the skin, and it's got ashwagandha, which helps to provide that beautiful radiance on your skin. So just by using this face wash, it's going to help to clean your skin, make it all refreshed, and it's also going to like add a visible beautiful glow on your skin. Now I've already washed my face with the face wash, and the second step is to hydrate the skin. Now you don't want to go in with like thick moisturizers, especially during the summers, especially like if you travel by local trains or by buses or however, because it's very hot and humid, especially here in Mumbai and in most cities currently. And whatever thick moisturizer that you put on is gonna make you sweat, and it's just gonna like make your skin look more dull. So you want to go in with something that's very lightweight, that gets absorbed into your skin super fast, and I have the perfect product for that. So this is Mamaearth Aloe Ashwagandha Gel. This contains aloe vera and ashwagandha, which are the best ingredients for this summer season. Aloe vera helps to hydrate your skin, and you're going to be out in the sun, you're going to be out in the like hot weather, and that just affects your skin so badly. But aloe vera is going to help to soothe your skin and calm it all down. Along with that, this contains ashwagandha, which adds a beautiful glow on your skin. Now summers are known to make your skin dull. They just make your skin look so dull and so tired. But ashwagandha is going to help to revive your skin. It's going to help to add that beautiful glow on your skin. And this gel has a very lightweight formulation, and it gets absorbed into your skin in absolutely no time. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the gel. That is how lightweight the texture is. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, and while I'm applying it, it's already like making my skin feel so cool and calm. Like even if you're a sleepy baby in the morning, like if you have early morning college and you wake up all tired, this gel is instantly just gonna make you like refreshed. Like that is how refreshing the gel is. I cannot describe it. You have to try this out. And in just 1 minute, like less than a minute, it's already absorbed into my skin. It doesn't feel sticky, oily, nothing at all. And the best part is that you can use this every single day, once, twice, thrice, how many ever times that you want, because it's made safe certified, and it is free from harmful toxins like parabens, silicone, mineral oil. All of those harmful chemicals it does not contain, and it's got the goodness of natural ingredients like aloe vera and ashwagandha. You can purchase these Aloe Ashwagandha products by Mamaearth from their website or from their app, and use my coupon code Riya 2022 to get a 20% off. Or you can also find them on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. After using the aloe vera gel, you want to go in with a sunscreen. Now I remember when I was in school and college, I used to hate wearing sunscreen because sunscreens sweat so badly on the skin, and whatever makeup I put on top of that, it just makes my makeup melt and go away. But with this sunscreen, that's not gonna happen. I have this the Dermaco 1% Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen Aqua Gel, and this is a very lightweight sunscreen. It does not sweat on the skin. It's non-oily, non-greasy. It gets absorbed into your skin in absolutely no time. And let me just show you how this is. as you can see, it's already like absorbed into the skin. That is how lightweight it is. Does not feel oily, greasy, nothing. The sunscreen contains an SPF of 50, which is a good amount of sun protection and protection from blue light emitted out of electronics. So basically it gives you complete sun protection outdoor from the sunlight and indoor from artificial light. And this is the best sunscreen to try out for the summer season, especially if you're in school or college. It's not gonna sweat on your skin at all. So that's all the skincare that you need to do. Now moving on to makeup. If you really feel like you have the need to get some sort of coverage on your face, only then you should go in with a compact powder, and I recommend using a mattifying compact powder because that way it's going to help to control the excessive oiliness on your skin, and it's also going to keep your skin matte and fresh for a longer time. Now, like all over my face, I don't really feel like I need some coverage going on because already the Aloe Ashwagandha gel made my skin glow so much. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this compact powder just on my under eye region where I have a little bit of dark circles. And that's it. If you have the need to like apply some more coverage, you can use a mattifying compact on the rest of the parts of your face. Now moving on to eyes, since you're going to school and college, you want to keep it very subtle, very simple. No eyeshadows, no eyeliner, nothing. But if it's allowed in your school, you can apply a kajal. College mein to obviously it's allowed, but school mein agar allowed hai, then you can go in with the kajal. I really love using this Mamaearth charcoal black long stay kajal. It's smudge proof, it stays very long on your eyes, and it's jet black in just one application, so you don't have to like go in again and again to get that intensity. It gives you that one stroke mein hi the perfect intensity. So I'm just gonna apply this on my waterline. And as you can see, it just instantly makes you look all awake. Now if you're in school, then skip the next step, but if you're in college, then you can go ahead with this. I'm applying a mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And as you can see, just one coat of the mascara makes the world of a difference. Moving on to lips, if you're in school, please keep it very subtle. Please either apply just a normal lip balm or a very a light tinted lip balm, or you can also apply maybe a lip and cheek tint, but make sure that you apply it very little and very subtle, and that too only on your lips, not on your cheeks if you're in school. But if you're in college, then you can also apply a little bit of the lip and cheek tint maybe on your cheeks as well. Try avoiding a lipstick if you're in school because it looks like you've applied lipstick, but a lip and cheek tint just looks very natural on the lips, especially if you apply a tiny amount. Now for college going girls, you can also like apply a little bit of this on your cheeks. I'm going to show you how. Just dot it like that on both sides and just blend it in circular motions with very light hands. You don't want to like rub it into your skin. And there you go, it's giving you a beautiful natural tint, and when the sun hits your skin, it's going to look very beautiful. It's going to give you that sun-kissed glow. That's just how easy it is to get ready for school and for college, and trust me, all of the skincare and makeup requires only 5 minutes of your time in the morning. Since I was explaining everything, it took me a little longer, but if you just like do all of these steps, no talking, no nothing, it's gonna take you just 5 minutes. And as you can see, everything that I did just makes me look so much more put together, makes me look so much more presentable, and yeah, everything looks so subtle at the same time, so wearable. So you can easily pull this off to school and for college. Just remember that if you're in school, do not apply a mascara and tint on your cheeks. Other than that, you can apply everything. If kajal is allowed, you can apply kajal as well, and you will be good to go. And if you're in college, you can keep experimenting with your looks, but remember to keep it a little subtle. And also, I highly recommend you check out the Aloe Vera Ashwagandha range by Mamaearth. It's amazing for the summer season. The products are so good, so refreshing. You can purchase them from Mamaearth's website, because every single time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a treat that they planned, or you can purchase it from their app, where you'll be getting early access to sales and discounts, which means you'll be saving on more money. So that's how you can get ready for school and for college in just 5 minutes. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it wasn't, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. And with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.